Hello everyone! In this video we will talk about liquidations, how they happen, why they're an important aspect of making trading decisions, and I will explain the key points of the liquidation procedure and how Spreadfighter highlights this information in models and widgets. Guys, a like and subscription to the channel would be greatly appreciated, so that we know how clear and useful this information is to you. Spreadfighter has several models that highlight liquidations. These are the Liquidations widget and the indicators Liquidations highlighter and Liquidations. The model tracks all liquidations occurring in the market. This information is not a secret. Many exchanges provide APIs through which you can get information about past liquidations. Here is an interesting point. There are different liquidation mechanisms. For example, if a large liquidation goes through the market, it does not go into the order book, but is handled over the counter (OTC) and appears on the market maker's balance sheet. If the market maker does not want to hold a large position, they will carefully release it back into the market. Why do we use liquidations? In large part, the crypto market is such that if we consider liquidations and potential stops of the participants, they often show reversal points with high probability. This means we can use liquidations as an additional argument to identify potential price reversals. Let's add the models to our workplace. The Liquidations widget and indicators Liquidations and Liquidations highlighter. Let's go to the widget. It highlights short position liquidations in green and long position liquidations in red. You can filter by instrument and by dollar value. The widget defaults to the liquidations of over $50,000. The widget interface shows the ticker, the liquidation volume, the price at which the liquidation occurred, and the time. Let's move on to the indicators. The liquidations indicator is a histogram that shows the volume of executed liquidations. The liquidations highlighter indicator shows the same values as in the widget, with green highlighting executed short position liquidations and red for long positions. Now let's go to the settings of the liquidations highlighter. There is one filter, the liquidation size in dollars. Let's set it, for example, to $400,000 and see what happens on the chart after liquidation of more than $400,000 on XRP. It is clearly visible here with these tools. You can build a reversal strategy. Very often, liquidations are the culmination of a move, especially when liquidations reach their peak. This clears the market of weak players, which can lead to price stabilization after mass liquidations. Guys, if you want to improve your trading on price reversals, try looking at the liquidation models and find out for yourself where and on which assets the critical liquidation values in dollars are. Spreadfighter provides the opportunity to trade with professional tools, not based on gut feeling. If the price goes up, don't just short it. For now, that's all. See you all later. Have a nice day.